Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by today to see what I am up to. I have my Boxy t-shirt on, so it's a Boxycharm kind of day. I have my premium box, September 2021. You know Boxycharm is my #1 and will always be my #1 box. Just to give you a quick, if this is premium, this box is $35 a month. You get 6 full-size products, value of at least $175. And we do get to customize, I think, 2 products. I think we get 2 or 3 for Luxe, 2 for this, and 1 for base. Now, I'm confused. I just did my Luxe box, and the card was different. And I don't know if it's because it's Luxe. But for Boxycharm Premium, it says BTS. I'll have to figure out what that stands for. And you do get a card with product information and pricing on the back. Always happy to have that. Let's do the first item. Which one should we do first? Let's do this. Oh, now this is so funny. I just got this in my AIA beauty bundle, and this is from Herbivore, and this is Blue Tansy. This is the Clarity Mask. So I'll show you again what it looks like. I think this was the one that was like very liquidy and I was confused by it. So let's see. Yeah, this one's the same way, so I'm sure it's supposed to be like that. I don't know if it'll show up as you can see the liquid moving. But this is a nice product. I'm excited to have a second one. I might share one then, since now I have 2. So let's see what it says here. Herbivore Botanicals Blue Tansy Resurfacing Clarity Mask, $48. Good skincare brand, so happy to have that. Like I said, I already have one, so I'll probably share that in a giveaway. So next in the box is from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is Snap Shadows. Value of $25. Game-changing portable eyeshadow palette of 6 rich blendable shades. From mattes to shimmers. Is that what it says? Yeah, mattes to shimmers. Let's see what she looks like. Oops, I just took the whole thing out. Ooh. Don't drop. This is the packaging. Cute. I hope I didn't just break something now. This is a cute palette. Except there's some fallout dust. There is a mirror. So this is what it looks like. Cute. 1, 2, 3, and 3. So 3 mattes, 3 shimmers. Look, I did have a protective shield on it. That's really cute. I don't think do I have Fenty shadow? I honestly don't know. I would have to look through all of my Fenty stuff that's in its own drawer. But excited to have that. And what did I tell you the price? Fenty, $25. This I know I chose. This is from Mercier. This is the Balancing Foaming Cleanser, and I wanted this $30. I honestly don't know what else I picked. I don't know if I picked the Fenty, honestly, but I'll tell you when I, do my list at the end. So this is what the product looks like. Just a tube. How many ounces? 4.2 fluid ounces, 125 ml. So a good size. So that's nice. Here we have from Hey Honey. This is Trick and Treat Lip Balm with a natural tint. This is $23. I don't see a shade name. So let's open it. Sometimes I open from the bottom and then it won't come out. That's kind of cute. Here it is. I don't know if you can get a better idea of the tint. I might not swatch that. That looks kind of purpley. I don't know. So rather than me touch it, then I can't give it. So we'll just leave that alone. $23. I have a palette here. How's this wrapped? Let's open this up. And this looks like it's from Bakerie, I think. Milk and Honey Highlighting Palette. Okay. That's adorable. Beehive. Nice touch. Let's take this out. So then this is the palette. Let's see what this looks like. 4 shades. I'll just put, oh, there is no mirror, so I don't have to block it. This is really cute. These are all shimmers, so I probably will share these. I do prefer matte products. I don't mind like my highlighter to have a little shimmer, but this is adorable. I'm not sure what I'll do. I probably will share it, honestly, if I'm being honest. And I always am. So then what else is in here? And that price, did I give you a price? Beauty Bakerie, $38. That's a lot of money. Then here, Complex Culture Beauty. This is a Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager, $58. Complex Culture is an Ipsy in-house like brand. So not surprised to see this in Boxy. Oh, I remember seeing these. Let's see if we can pop this out of here. Without. Okay. And this is what it looks like. So it's just like a rose gold massager. I don't know if I have to put batteries in. Let's see. Ugh. Get the bottom. Probably have to put a battery in. Yeah, you put the battery in the bottom, which I will eventually get to. Let's close that back up. And I guess then the top vibrates. This little piece here would vibrate on your face to help probably with skincare, and it's cool. So you would just, you know, rub it in. I'm not angry at that at all. That's really cool. I love all the face tools. That never is a disappointment. $58. That's extremely pricey. So they are my 5 items in my premium. 6 items, I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in my premium. I will let you know what my choice items are. And if that helps anybody with the premium box, the numbers, I will do, you know, the whole list, the value versus, you know, the cost, all that good stuff at the end of the video. Tell me what you thought of this one. I love my Boxies, whether it's Luxe, Premium, or Base. Even if I don't love every product, which in this one, I love every product. Just because I might share it doesn't mean it makes it a bad box. I think this is, like, I wanted this. So we have a cleanser. We have a clarifying mask. We have a, oops, we have a tool, which is always good. We have an eyeshadow palette and then a lip balm and a contour palette. So I think a well-balanced box. It's not all makeup. It's not all skincare. And that's what I love about Boxycharm. It's always going to be my #1 box. So I appreciate all you watching. I hope you all have a great day. And I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.